If you're encountering Cloud Save Error 2025 on your Nintendo Switch, follow these steps to resolve the issue and ensure your data is backed up properly. Step 1. Check Internet connection. Ensure your Nintendo Switch is connected to a stable internet connection. Go to System Settings, select Internet, and test your connection to confirm it's working properly. Step 2. Update system software. Make sure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest system software. Go to System Settings, select System, then Software Update, and choose to update if needed. Step 3. Verify Nintendo Switch Online subscription. Check that your Nintendo Switch Online subscription is active, as Cloud Saves require a subscription. Go to the Nintendo eShop, select your account, and verify your subscription status. Step 4. Restart the console. Sometimes a simple restart can fix issues. Hold down the power button until the power options appear, then select Restart to refresh the system. Step 5. Contact Nintendo support. If the error persists after following the previous steps, reach out to Nintendo support for further assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Cloud Save error and continue enjoying your Nintendo Switch games.